One is the manually, and second is the with the tools like Mendeley, Zotero, and Notes. There are so many reference management tools are available. So reference management actually one of the first thing you should consider before you dive into the reading or research process. This proactive approach ensures that you can keep track of the material you read and the source you search for, making the entire research process much easier and more efficient. So reference management work can in a two words. Manually, you could manage reference by hand, write down source details and formatting citations yourself. But this is a time consuming process and prone to the errors. The second options with the tools. The most of the pupils use reference management tools to organize the reference like Zotero and Luton Mendeley. These tools allow you to import reference directly from the databases, directly from the websites, directly from the PDF. And second, the software allow you them to into folder and tagged based on the topic or the subject. You can tag means you can give a words to filter the articles when you need it. And third is generated the citations or bibliographic in various styles, and number of styles they have like APA, MLA, Chicago with a few clicks. And for last is the integrated with the word process of seamless in-text citations. The software give you features you can integrate with this tool with your word process like MS Office or LibOffice of Office if you use the Linux. Next, we go for the why reference management is the matter. The reference management offers significant academic and the practical value, making it an essential tool for the student, researcher, professionals, anyone engaged in the knowledge-based work. The academic value is to enhance the credibility. Properly managed reference demonstrate that your work is grounded in the verifiable, authoritative source. This builds the trust in your arguments and conclusions. Second is the sports scholarly dialogues. By citing peer work accurately, you situate your research within the broader academic conversation, showing how it builds on a challenge or existing the knowledge. You can challenge the exist knowledge on the basis of the your accuracy citations. Next, to prevent the plagiarisms. If you want to prevent the plagiarisms, tracking source methods ensure you give credit where it is due. So safeguarding your academic reputations and adhering to ethical standards, it is a mandatory. Next, facilitate the peer reviews. The well-organized reference allow peers or instructors to locate and evaluate your sources and strengthen the rear and reproduce of your research. And next is enable mastering of your citation standards. The tools enables you to learning to manage reference, hones your ability to apply complex citation styles because styles are very, very complex. So a key skills in academic writing that reflect attention in the details. So you can enable mastering of your citation standards as well as the reference management have the practical value, means save the times and the efforts. When you writing the on the hand, it is a time consuming, but you implemented the because all of the information is available in the digital content, digital formats. So you can easily manage with the help of the reference management tools. They save your times and the efforts. Next is the boost your collaborations or streamlines workflow. Organized reference libraries, because the software give you the opportunity. You can create your libraries according to your projects. You can create a folders according to your projects, according to your articles, according to your thesis, or even chapter wise. So you quickly retrieve source from the current or future project, eliminating the frustrations or lost notes or forget citations. Next practical value is the boost the collaborations in group settings. The reference management tools give you can create a groups with the like-minded pupils, with the peer colleagues, and you can share your groups. You can invite the same like-minded pupils in your projects, and you can collaborate easily. Next is the scales with the complexity. For the large scale research, like theses, dissertations, and professional reports, managing hundred of source manually is impractical. The software handle this complexity with the easy, keeping everything accessible. And next is the adapt to real world needs beyond the academia. Professionals in the field like law, journalism, or policies use reference management to track case studies, articles, regulations, ensuring accuracy in high-stake deliverables. These are the academic and practical value which give the reference management. So reference management is very important and crucial. What is the challenge in academic writing without the reference management tools? If we cannot use the tools, what are the challenges? First is manual tracking of the source. The labor incentive process of keep tracking of source by hand without reference management tools. You would need to manual keep track of all your sources, books, articles, website, and extras. These can lead to lost your references, forgetting details like page number, publications year, or difficult recalling where a specific idea came from. So it is the first challenge. Second is the time-consuming formatting, the tedious task of the arranging citations correctly. Citation styles like APA, MLA, Chicago have strict rules. Manually formatting in text citations and the bibliography is labor intensive and prone to errors, especially when juggling multiple styles for different projects and the journals. So it is so difficult. It is a time consuming formatting. Third is the inconsistency. Without a tool, standardization citations, you might accidentally mix format, putting a comma where a period should be, like putting a comma, but where a period should be, or missing key elements like DOIS, volume numbers, making your work look unprofessional or unreliable. Here, the reference management tools are necessary. Next is difficult or जो है difficult organizing the large project. Difficult is managing extensive research work. For research involving dozens or hundreds of sources, keeping everything organized without a tools become difficult. You might end up with a scattered notes, duplicate entries, or no clear system to group reference by topic or the relevance. So it is difficult to organize the large project. Next is the collaborations issue. If you are working with others, sharing and synchronizing reference manually by email or shared documents can lead to version conflict. Outdated citations or miscommunication about which source to use create the collaborations issues between the colleagues and error prone proofreadings. Spot mistaking like a missing author name or incorrect publications dates, relies entirely of your attentions to details, which is harder without automated cross-checkings. So validations features, so it is a error prone to proofreadings. And manual, you cannot integrate with the writing software like your words, MS Word. So what is the benefit of using the reference management tools? First is the efficient organizations, help in systematic arranging resources. Reference management tools allow you store, categorize, and search all your research in one place. So you can tag reference by topic, you can tag reference by project, you can tag reference by the keywords, making it easy to find out you need without digging through notes or the files. Just you search your tags, your files is in front of you. Next is the consistency and the accuracy. Ensure uniformity in citations, styles, and the details. They ensure an uniformity in citations formatting and reduce human error, like missing punctuation signs, incorrect dates, or incomplete author list. By pulling metadata directly from the source, like PDF, journal sites, or websites, the consistency and accuracy is increased. Next, collaborations made easy. Facilitate teamwork in research and writing projects. Many tools offer cloud-based sharing or group features, allowing team to access, edit, and update a shared library for reference in real time, perfect for group project and co-author papers. Next, quick update and reusabilities. Allow to fast modifications and reuse your reference. So if a project require a different citation styles, you need to reuse sources elsewhere. The tools can reformatting everything instantly, saving you are redoing the work manually. With a few clicks, you can change your whole document citation styles like APA to MLA, MLA to Chicago, or you can create your manual style also. Then the scalability for larger projects like thesis, dissertations, or systematic reviews. With hundreds of sources, thesis tools handle the volume of effortless, something nearby impossible to manage manually without mistakes. The tools make easily. Next, time saving. These tools automate citations and bibliographic format from various styles like APA, MLA, Chicago, Tripoli. Instead to manually typing or adjusting each entry, you can generate accurate citations with a click, freeing up time for actual research and writings. Next is the seamless integrations. Most of tools integrated with the word process, like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, also LibreOffice, letting you insert citations and build bibliography as you write without breaking your workflow. The next is source accessibility. To provide easy access to all the references and sources. You can often attach PDF, notes, link to reference within the tools. Keep everything centralized. All your things are stored in one place. So your library is available anywhere due to the cloud-based storage. You can access anywhere, anytime when you need it. Next is the plagiarism preventions. By keeping track of where ID and codes come from, these tools help you attribute the source properly, reducing the risk of unintentionally plagiarisms. They can reduce. So it is important. What is the reference management process? First, Identify the sources, gather all the relevant books, articles, journal, websites, or other sources for your research. Second, use reference management software to save the sources. Third, organize the sources, like categorize sources according to your chapters. If you write the thesis, you can categorize every sources according to your chapter. For introductions, for research methodology, for review of literatures, you can categorize the sources. Group preference by the topics, by the themes, by the source, primary, secondary, or scholarly articles. You can categorize the source. Second, use folders or tags to store the every reference. Like many reference management tools allow you to organize by creating a folder, tags, or group you can easily create. Third, label appropriates. Make sure each reference is properly labeled for clarity in future retrievals. You should write label to the right folders or the articles, because in future when we needed this, so we can easily retrieve from them. Next, generate the citations. So in text citations, just click where you want to generate or insert your in-text citations, and then click on the citations. So your citation is insert in your text, and end of the page or end of the chapters, where you, as your preferences, you can insert your reference or bibliographies. Streamline academic works is about optimize your processes, increase efficiency, improve your productivity, or reduce unnecessary tasks while maintaining the quality of your works. Now, tools and software for the reference management. This is our second part of. So the popular reference management tools like Mendeley, Zotero, and Ednote, widely used by the research students and the professionals. These tools help streamline of the process of collecting, organizing, and citing the source, making academic and research more efficient. So Mendeley, first we discuss the Mendeley. Mendeley, a free reference management owned by the Elsevier, popular for its social networking features and easy to use. It doubles as a PDF organization and citations tools. You can organize your PDF as well as you can use as a citations tools. It gives the double features. The key features like PDF, like browse integrations. Browser allow users to easily save reference from the web pages. Second is the PDF annotations. Import PDF and annotate them with highlight, sticky notes, and comments. All are stored in one place. Third, reference imports. You can just drag and drop PDF or import from the databases. Mendeley extract citations details automatically. You just add the article's URL. The Mendeley extract automatically citations details from the source. Next is the citation generations. Integrate with the Microsoft Word or LibreOffice to insert citations. Next is the collaborations. Create private group to share reference or annotations with the colleagues. Free versions limited to small groups. It's free versions give you can add 25 participants in a group. Then the cloud storage. It's offer 2 GB free storage. If you want to more, then you go with the paid plan. And the research network. connect users with other researchers and their works. So it suggests related paper or connect your researcher in your fields. So you can connect with the same clicks. Next is the Zotero, a free open source management software tools designed to collect, organize, and cite research materials. It's highly customizable and favorable of those who value flexible and community drives documents. Same features, PDF managements, manage and organize your PDF files, citation styles, choose from various citation formats from the accuracy, supports thousands of citation styles and can which format instantly. Collaborations, share group libraries for team projects with options of public and private access. You can give access for the private or public, so you can collaborate. Browser integrations, save reference directly from the websites, library catalog, databases in a single click using browser extensions. Next जो है synchronizing. Synchronize your library across device via the cloud, free up to 300 MB, or paid plan more storage, give your more storage. If you go with the free versions, then 300 MB you have to store the reference sources. Next is EndNote. It is a premium reference management tools widely used in academic or STEM fields. Now for the its robust feature, extensive database integrations, it's ideal for the advanced user handling larger projects. The key features is the database search library catalog or database like PubMed, Web of Science directly within the tools. Second is the citations formattings, provide tools for formatting citation in various styles. Third, PDF management, its features allow users to organize and manage PDF document efficiently, import, annotate, and search full text PDF within your library. Next is the manuscript matcher. The software suggests journal for your publication based on your reference. Which journal is suitable for your article publications? The feature is unique for the manuscript matchers. यानी कि your manuscript match with the your journals where you published your work. And the storage. Offer the storage, cloud storage, or unlimited local storage or synchronize available with the subscriptions. So it is a premium tools. The next part is the demonstrations of reference management tools. For the demonstrations, I share my screen with you how to manage the sources with the help of the Mendeley. We go with the Mendeley because Mendeley have more feature rather than the Zotero and the EndNotes. It gives a 2 GB data storage. Okay, so first I stop my share, then I share my screen. So go for the mendeley.com. First I log out. So first go to mendeley.com and sign up for the accounts. Then click on the create account. I have create account already. Okay, so just you can go for the sign up. Okay, so now I sign in my account. If your PC is personal, then you can stay sign in and not recommended for the shared devices. Okay, so click on the sign in. Welcome to the Mendeley. Search for and add article of your library. So you can simple search article here, or here is your library. Okay, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the interface of our Mendeley software. This is the library. It is the notebook where we note down the important notes, and it is a synchronize. You can synchronize for your desktop version. There are the three. Go for the back one. Uh, Here are the three options of your reference management software. First, you have a desktop applications. You download a applications to manage your library from the desktop. So just simple click download Mendeley reference management, the software download for the Windows. If you use the Mac to Mac, or if you use Linux to download Mendeley reference management for the Linux. All systems they support it. To download for the Windows, it is 191 MB. Okay. So just simple download, but you can double click on this software, this link, and click on the next. Your software is ready. Okay, only for the install. Just next, and please wait. Now your software is installed in your desktop, so you can finish. Okay.
Okay.
I have already signed in.
Already signed
It is atomically science.
it is atomic science.
Okay, so it is a
Okay. So it
interface of our
is
desktop applications. It is same as our web applications like library. Na? These both are the same interface. It is our web interface, or it is our desktop applications interface. So first we can add the reference. Can click add references. Just click on the add references. There are the many options to add the reference. You can import PDF files from your computers. You can import whole folders from your computers. You can import library from your other sources like Web of Science, Algiers, or Emerald Insights. You can download a library as a as NOTEX or RIS format, and you can import from here. You can set up vast folders, means you can link your accounts with your local folders. Synchronize PDF from the local folder automatically. When you put the files in your local folders, the files is automatically upload your cloud storage. Okay, add reference manually. If you want to uh, reference to add manually, so you can easily add your reference manually. If the sources is not available in the digital format, it is available in the print format, so you can add once your reference manually. Okay, so first I import file from the computers. Just click, then go for the downloads. I search some files. Okay, and just click and open. Uploading. Your file is here. So you can check the details of your files. These. If the author, year, month, day, and site institutions are not reflect on your screen, you can manually edit this. Last name, first name. The software guided you where is come the last name and where you write the first name. Okay, so last name, first name, add year, month, day, city, institutions. Okay, URL IGNOU. So these are the our files where we upload it. Same like you can upload your import your folders and import your library. Okay, so I have already uploaded so many files, so I share some. So these are our all references. Recently added, you can check recently added. Now we have uploaded the circulation services. Recently read, you can click recently reads. These are the recently reads. You can mark as a favorite. So I have marked two references, two sources as my favorites. So you can upload your publications on the publications folders, my publications. Okay, you can check the duplicates. These are the duplicates entry which is uploaded in my libraries, and you also check your trace. If when you delete the any resources, your resources go to the trace. So you can trace or you can restore your trace from the trace files. These are the collections. You can create your collections. I have created the folders, and each folders have their own sources. Like for the articles, these are the sources I used in my Haryana Health. These are the sources I used in Haryana ISBDs. These are the sources I used. PhD literature reviews. These are the sources used in the PhD literature reviews. So these are the collections. If you want to create a collections, just simply create a collections, then you can give a name for your collections. Like I give the Neelam University and then enter. So your collections folder is available. Drag and drop PDF here to add the reference for these collections. If you want to add the references from your collections, so you can just drag and drop the PDF files and drop here. Or you can also add from the other collections like annals. I select and copy as, export as, जहां पे भी आपको है organize, जहां पे भी करना है तो so many functions. ठीक है ना? Add to the collections, add to the groups. If you create a group of the like-minded colleagues, so you can add this selected article to the groups. I add to the collections. Which collections? Neelam University, add. The sources is add in your Neelam University folders. So these sources, okay, so you can create a collections like thesis, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and add the references for the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. You can categorize every reference according to your needs. So these are the collections folders. You can easily create. If you want to delete, you can delete, rename, make available offline these folders, or export as a Microsoft Word and the other formatted. Okay, if you create a new sub collections under this folder, so you can create a new sub collections. Neelam University under the department is under the Neelam University. So you can pull down and pull up. Next, you can create a group. Just create a group, click on the group, like Neelam University Scholars. So your group is created Neelam University Scholars. Then click on the group, manage group. You can invite members. In free, you can invite only 25 members in a particular group. Okay, I invite members. Just write or just copy and paste the emails of the members and invitations. The invitations sent to the on the mail of the colleagues. Okay, then they can join with the these leagues. So it is a group. So you can collaborate with these features. It is a collaborations features. Okay, then I come. Then if you want to read out the article which is or read out the source which is uploaded in your reference management tools, you can just simply click on your double click on your sources. One minute. The source is okay. References. PDF files. The sources have not a PDF files. Those sources who have PDF files, the link is here. PDF icons. To click. Okay, these sources have a PDF file. You can sort, click on the file. So I just click on the use of classifications. You can double click on use of classifications. The particular source will be open in front of you. So you can read, you can make a notes from the particular source. You can give the annotations, you can give the tags. Okay, so these are the sources. Like I just click back to all pages, the info. So this is the informations about the source. What is the author, year, journals, pages, volume numbers, and the abstract of the sources. And you can add the tags. I have already inserted the tags for this particular use of classifications. I have already the tags for the classification, Dublin core, WebDB. If you want to add more tags for this particular articles, so just click on the plus signs and you can write your tag like searching. Searching. Okay, so you can manage the tag for a particular articles which help you retrieve in the futures. Then you can the particular folder is in your two collections, Annals as well as the Neelam University. These are the if you want to add a DOI, so you can add just here. If you want to add a annotations, the just simple you can open. You should open the files and just these are the select text. These are the highlighted text rectangle. These are the notations. You should highlighted text with the yellow, green, red, blue. There are the so many colors you should use for your highlighted text. For examples, I like to highlight the text the internet. Okay, so highlight it. So the text is highlighted, and I give a notations for this highlighted text. I want to use this text in my introductions part. So you can just click on these sections. Then there are the add a notebook. If you want to these portions add in your notebook, so you can click on notebook, add a new page, and then click on the source and the add to the notebooks. The your particular portion is copy and add in your notebook. So you can add your page titles, introduction, ठीक है ना? And you should also give the text for this particular portions. I will use it in my article introduction. But just check that first. Okay, if you want to add a notations, so you can click on the notations and then click here, sticky notations. So just simple go ahead. It is for my articles in title classification, just so your it is so your annotations and your notes are insert here. You can just close your article, so just click on the close buttons, so your article is closed. Okay, then back to the all pages. I have some notes in my notebook, and these are the annotations. It is my for my article entitled classifications. When you come on this page, just click on this, so it is automatically open your articles and go from your particular place. Okay, so it is useful for, and this is the introductions. It is our page. I will use it in my articles. Second is the search query. For the search query, these are the my search query introductions of organic chemistry. It is a or click on the organ, so it is go for the particular source is it opens when we click on a particular notes. So it is easy to remember which portion we will include in our future research, and in a one click the particular source is open. So this is the demo of a Mendeley software. So, on my side, the lecture is summing up pretty. I stop my share. If any questions, the participant can ask. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Sir, we'll have to practice before we come back to you with more questions. We'll need to use these features and then come back to you.
1 minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Absolutely good topic, and it was very new to us. And we will practice and come back with our queries. Thank you
Yes.
so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful session on effective reference management. So as we conclude today's session of this 1 week faculty development program, so for first and foremost, our sincere thanks to Professor Dr. Shamim Ahmed, Honorable Vice Chancellor, for his unwavering support. We also extend our deep appreciation to Professor Dr. R.K. Gupta, Dean Academics. A special thanks to our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dinesh Kumar, for his insightful address and for sharing his valuable perspectives on ethical research and publication practices. We also deeply grateful to our guest of honor, Professor Pradeep Kumar, for his inspiring words. And our appreciation extends to Dr. Amit Kumar for delivering an informative session on reference management. For sharing we are also thankful for sharing their expertise, demonstrating practical tools. So your session has not only deepened our knowledge, but also provided us with essential skills to streamline our research work effectively. I also thankful to our organizing team, faculty members, and last but not least, we extend our gratitude to all the participants for their enthusiastic involvement. We will look forward to the upcoming sessions and a week of insightful discussions. Thank you all once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Preeti. Thank you, Amit.
Thank you,
Dr.
Dr.
Amit.
Preeti. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Amit, for giving
Thank
us such nice inputs.
Thank you so much, Dr. Amit, for delivering such an engaging and informative session. Your expertise in this field, along with your practices and insight into reference management, has been incredible, valuable for all of us. We deeply appreciate your time, effort, and sharing your knowledge with us today. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for your time, Dr. Amit, and all the knowledge that you've imparted. Thank you very much.